welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jinori Official. So for today, andito tayo sa spring. Ayan. Kung hindi kayo makakapunta sa Japan, pwede kayong pumunta dito. Wow! Look at that naman, the flowers. Parang real na real. Ayan, tingnan natin dito yung mga tulips. Kaganda-ganda naman. So love it. Ayan. Super nice. Dito tayo sa ano. Ayan oh. Wow. Para siyang ano. Wow. Wow guys. Ang ganda oh. Flowers. Ayan. Ay, ang perfect. Ang ganda. Wow, kaganda ng flowers. So my loves, kung hindi kayo makapunta sa Japan, dito kayo, pwede kayo dito magpunta. Dito lang to sa Borjuman Mall. Ayan, sino gustong sumakay dito? Perfect. Ayan. Dito tayo, upo tayo dito. Wow, hello. Can I see? So guys, we are here in the spring. Okay, parang ito nasa beach. And then, so we are going to look for the roses. Yan, gaganda na talaga ng mga bulaklak nila, super. It's like surreal. There. It's so nice, guys. And with this bicycle, OMG, this is so cool. Super ganda. And ano to oh? Wow! Talagang yung texture ng flower niya parang totoo. Parang cherry blossom siya, tiya. Na? Oo. Wow! Wow! Kaganda naman. Dito. Gusto ko siya dito. Yay! Mga my loves, dito tayo na ano lang, nag-unwind lang tayo para mawala din ating stress. So, ayan, dito tayo sa spring. Tinawag nila itong spring kasi ayan o, yung ano nila, mga bulaklak sa spring and plants. Super ganda. I so love it. With the tulips. Look, I can sit here. Look at the tulips, guys. This is so real. Ang ganda naman niya talaga, oh. Ito yung flower, oh. It's like so real. Wow. Perfect. Parang pag may Valentine's, diba? Tapos bibigyan ka ng ganitong totoong bulaklak. Bouquet. Wow. Super love it naman. And ito, gusto ko to. Wow.
No.
This.
Picture mo kasi bibig dyan din.
Ayan. So, even the ceiling. Ayan, puro flowers yung ceiling na yan. Hi! Hi mga my loves! Wow, para akong nasa ano, paradise. Paradise of flowers. Guys, hindi to sa Miracle Garden ha. Iba pa yung Miracle Garden. Ayan, wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng ano niya. Ito yung gusto ko, oh. Orange flower. Para siyang ano, bouquet. I so love it. Ganda nila, oh. Parang true. True na true. Wow! Sakay ka dito, oh. Picturean ka. Wow! Muna, come here, say hi. Say hi to my subscriber. Come here. Hi, guys. Ayan, guys. So, pag evening time, nakikita natin yung mga dim light dito. Ito yung friend ko. Halika dito, friend. Mag-hi ka sa mga subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching all my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Joy Dory Official. Come here, my friend. Yes, friend. Ano? Muna, is it allowed to ride there? The bicycle? No, just picture. There, oh, Muna. Is it down there? Wow! This is really amazing. Look at this, like the ceiling full of flowers, Muna. You like the flowers? You want to say hi here? You want to say hi? I'll give you more than that. You like that? I like the white flowers. Super love it. So if you want to visit here, just come here in Borjoman Mall. This is in the ground floor. You want to say hi to my subscribers, Muna? You say hi. Say hello. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, I'm Muna. Please like and subscribe also my channel. What's your channel? Moonlight. Please subscribe, guys. Moonlight YouTube channel. Okay? So this is Muna. She's still 3 years old. And she is a little bit shy for now, but she's also a vlogger. Please subscribe her channel. Moonlight. Is it Moonlight? Yeah. It's not allowed for me. Thank you. Is it there? Oh my gosh, I like this orange like rose. Woo. Wow. Look at the flowers. So guys, pwede kayo mag-picnic dito. Ayan oh, friend, super ganda naman friend. O, kati ganun mo friend oh. Dito sa sili, nakikita yung ano. Para tayong nasa ano, Japan. This one? The shop. Cellphone shop. 15 AED. Hi! I love this flowers. Look guys. I love it so much. Ooh. Welcome to spring here at Borjoman. Okay guys, that's all for now. I just wanted to say bye. Muna, you want to say bye? Bye guys, and thank you again for subscribing my YouTube channel, Joy Dory Official. So, uwi na tayo. Ayan. Yan, tingnan natin for isang